Oh, hey guys. Oh, wait. Stay right there. Wait. Learn this.
Mami, Paris! Paris!
Crap, right now we're out of soap.
Paris yan!
We're out of soap. And I need to clean my balls.
Paris!
Alright, you're probably wondering what kind of joke getting dirty-minded. I'm talking about my molten ball. Now you're thinking about a melting ball. I'm talking about a ball for basketball that's named molten. Hold on, I'm still cleaning it. Oh, and so stay right there.
Paris yung Korea! Hindi na kailangan lagyan. Uday! Nasa video ka! God! Hindi naman kita eh.
Oh god.
No, I'm not.
I'm washing my balls.
What? Bakit? China. Delete mo na lang.
Bakit ka naman pa i-delete? Nag-start na pa 2 minutes ago. Sorry about that. That was my dad. It's not that tall. Oh!
Ba't bukas ang bit mo?
Oh! God!
Ba't bukas? Walang alam eh.
God away. Oy. Oy.
Sorry.
Hindi lang po ganun makita. Hindi lang po ganun makita. Pero kay daddy talaga po, talagang kita-kita po doon. Pero hindi naman po siya nakarap sa webcam. So, video's still going on. Okay, sorry about that, but those my parents.
Huwag mo na yung ano.
And the reason I'm making this video is about basketball. But first, let me just wash my ball. This is the molten ball. This is what I'm talking about, the molten ball. The molten ball. I need to video. Sorry about that. I need to play my ball for the game. Oh wait, one second. Never mind. So anyways, guys, I want to be a basketball player, and it's kind of a hard decision. My dad doesn't want me to play in the basketball, and my mom does. It's kind of weird. Like, both of them. It's like choosing which one of your parents are on your side. If you ask me, I'm going to with mom's option. So this is 21 Guns George. Cheesy.